Hi guys, welcome back to Build with Namra channel. Today day 25, we solve the problem such substring with concatenation of all words. Now the question was, you are giving the string of S and array of a string's word. All the string the words are the same length. A concatenated string exactly contains all the strings of any permutation of words concatenated. For example, they're giving some words like A, B, C, D and E, F that will be concatenated and permutated into the itself. To the concatenated strings, if the string be codes not be concatenation of all permutation of words. Now return the array of the starting indices of all concatenated substring. You can return the answer in any order. Like see the first example. They giving some string of words. The word should be removed as FOO and BAR. They return the respective index position of the 0 and 9. For example explanation, we can see the first should be the concatenated the two words which has the permutation of words, and second to be ninth index position, it returns the concatenation of the respective string which has a permutation of the word. Nothing but they give the some string means we can be considered as to some the footer word like FOO and BAR. FOO should be respective as a 0th position, as well as bar should be the 9th index of the position. First we need to concatenate it. After to be the permutation word should be removed from the respective strings. Now dive into the solution. First we need to as usual we declared as a class solution as a def function. Before we need to import some from collection impact counter. This variable to give a quick solution as well as the criteria pattern to follow to solve the concatenated strings as well as substring of a array. Now the preparation step has been started. Like the first 4 lines should be the code calculates exactly how long the target substring must be, the total length. It creates a frequency map as well as in word frequency. The map is crucial because it tells the code not just which word to look for, how many type of the each. So the first 4 lines this should be the explain the same explanation as such. The problem such checking every possible starting position of the string to seeing the words the following match our list. We need to declare all the values which we declared in the variable as assigned to the respective areas. After the declaration, we should be the result to be written as an empty list because the initialization should be the default as be the null list only. Next we starting the outer loop point. The outer loop through the string the one character of a time. It treats every indexes as I as a potential starting line, which we stop at a length of n s minus length total length because it is are not enough the characters left to all the words. There is no point of checking. Next we go to the inner loop like word checker. According to this part, again the 4 lines should be iterating the next loop part. For every starting position of I, we try to build the concatenation. The first point should be that we look at a jump of the word length as well as extract a chunk of the text of word. Validation should be the word in our the word frequency. Have not found the too many from the yet. We kept going. When we it doesn't belong or exit the count means, for example, we found that these the FOO but only the needed 2 means it will break. That's why using the break statement for further steps. We need to assign the proper criterias. That's why the loop will be iterated successfully. The true block also be executed. As I said before, the starting iterating position as be the I means we need to declare as such the respective variables to the array of the list. To check the condition, so that's why using the if condition there. If it is a word exist means it returns the word. Next we go to the else part. The unique Python feature the else block be attached to the inner loop. It only runs the inner loop, completes all iteration without hitting a break statement. If it is finish means if we found a perfect match to starting at the index 1. So that's why using the else block in the next further statement. After the else condition, we should initialize in the break condition, as I said before, because break condition is important for doesn't belong means it exceeds the count. So that's why using the break statement. It is a validation property of the all solution. So the next, before going for the test cases, we also run, but I need to tell one thing. This code based on the time limit it exceeded, like 181 bar 182 test cases has been passed. Because the issues mean the two loops are approached like on.k, because it resorts the brand new counter, so it is a check the sliding window to approach the left or right pointers. So that's why it shows the time limit exceeded at the last few seconds. So now adding some commanding lines to easy better understanding. Now see the test cases. The three test cases has been passed. Like it gives the respect to index position, as well as if it doesn't means it gives a null list as we declared as a first in the first position of the code. The test case as well as it return the respective index position. You may compare and know the better solution. Now submit. As I said before, the time exceeded, that's why the reason it be fixed into the sliding window approach or as a move or right pointers to code the remember they already checked if it is slides to across a string. In some such problems like it shows maybe a time limit exceed, it is not a big issue, it will be easily solved. As I said before, the final test case has been a sliding window, that's why it causing a move or light. It is a slightly better problem, it's not a big deal, so you must solve, I think so. It's very easy problem and quickly, there is no complex strategies to be used to solve, so usually understand. So thank you for watching guys.